I know that one part.
Is that a snake? Are you making a poo emoji? Does it taste like
Blue nail polish under my cuticle and it won't come off and I'm having a meltdown because of it. Oh my God. I should go take a shower.
It was right when I pushed record. They were singing.
I only know that one part. She's one pretty minion, to be honest.
Oh.
She's a pretty minion too.
I don't know what that means.
A pretty minion.
You guys are strange.
I'm in such a good mood.
Okay, we're waiting for Maddie to get back and then we're going to
Make slime.
make some slime. It's edible slime.
This is my microphone. How was your day?
Vanilla pudding edible slime. And there's Maddie. Okay, Mom, you ready? Okay.
Alright, children.
Here comes your instructions.
I'm sorry.
You have the white measuring stuff, we have the black measuring stuff.
Look, she's in her apron.
This is 4 cup pudding. Put that in your bowl.
Instant pudding mix.
Half of your cornstarch. Half.
Only for half an hour. Manny just tipped it and I was just like,
Trying to get some zooms
I'm
in.
gonna get half of it.
Okay, okay,
Does that
okay.
look like half?
Okay. And then cornstarch will fly everywhere. If you want
that?
You can add water.
the water in.
Put the water in.
Put the water in, Maddie.
Will this
I'll make a little bit.
succeed?
Stick it right there.
Okay. And then
Will the good bits make edible slime? Wait, did it turn yellow when you put the water in?
Yeah.
It transformed.
Oh, it smells so good.
Oh, it should smell like vanilla pudding.
Does it smell
Smells
like vanilla
like
pudding?
cake.
It's not banana. Maddie get
I stirred it and I
powder on her
flung
face.
stuff on her face.
Cake.
Yay.
And you
I
stir
wanna
that,
eat this.
and it's gonna be
Edible.
kind of sticky.
Ew, look at this.
And then you add more
Best day ever.
This is the best day of
Yeah,
my
just careful
life.
because cornstarch will.
I had a double.
Don't add too much. You can add too much, I guess. You can just add more water.
This is more like Play-Doh.
It's more like Play-Doh?
Is it Play-Doh or slime?
I don't know. We'll have to check it out.
I was thinking it was actually like slime.
Once it gets thick enough.
It's thick enough.
Like this.
You need it. So since we've got 2 kids working with this one, we're gonna cut it in half, and they're going to knead it.
How was my hair? That's barely Miley. I did too. Okay, wait, I have to take this off.
So there's that one looking so far.
A lot of it.
Yeah.
It kind of feels like bread dough.
It tastes like bread. Feels like bread
Feels
dough.
like bread dough, yeah. Oh my gosh.
I just gotta like get cornstarch all over.
Yours is still pretty runny, Ma. You could add more cornstarch. Wait, let's see the face again.
Alright, so there's.
Yo, this is weird.
You need to put more cornstarch in there.
Yeah.
Yo.
Let's check out how the consistency's coming so far. Pretty sticky. We need more cornstarch.
Pretty weird.
You guys need to put more cornstarch.
It's not feel like flour.
It's finer. That's why it works good for slime.
Hey, Miley.
Make something Monday. She dips it in the cornstarch.
Was I supposed to do that?
Miley's making a mess.
Whoa.
Mom, Miley's making a mess.
Whatever cornstarch you don't use.
Split it in half, Miley.
Just put it back in there.
You can't.
You kneading it? You need more cornstarch?
Make it into a ball first.
How's it going? How's it going, Hal? It's working out pretty good.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I think so. Jack's getting some more. Kneading in. What does it smell like, bud?
Cake.
Cake, like vanilla cake mix.
This is not happening. I don't need this in the future.
What's it doing? Knead it. Knead it in
I
there.
gotta split it in half so Hallie Maddie can eat.
Oh, okay.
Which one do you want?
Oh yeah, and you can eat this. Taste it, Jack. Just take a bite. No, don't lick it. Here, try it. Try it, Hal. What does it taste like? It's edible. Does it taste like gritty pudding or something? Maddie, did you taste it?
No.
What does it taste like?
Haven't.
Taste it.
That's actually really good.
It's really
I honestly
tasty.
was waiting for it to just go.
You're not gonna taste it? It's pudding.
What if it gives me salmonella and I like die?
It won't. It's delicious.
It's cornstarch and vanilla.
And water.
I don't know what's in cornstarch.
Jack, has it turned to slime yet?
Get the cornstarch for like.
How about yours?
It's the starch they take out.
So, oh, Jack's is like stretchy.
Mine just
Jack's like stretching his. Is yours working?
mine's just breaking and sticking.
Chapter, yo. Oh, you gotta be like one of those friends that have to make sure it's like, oh.
Miley makes the most messes.
Mom.
Mom, did it work? Okay guys, this is an easy slime to make that you probably have all the stuff in your cupboard.
And
It's just a fun family activity and you can eat it if you want to. I would eat all of it, but you can taste it for sure. Won't hurt you.
Me and my are gonna make a bunch, maybe make a bunch of this.
play with it and eat it and you wouldn't have to worry about it.
Yep, you don't have to worry about it going in their mouths because it's okay.
No borax or
Hey, Dad!
Or dish soap or
Can I
anything.
have a fun day? Yeah. What are you gonna do? Eat the potato. What just happened?
Eat the Play-Doh.
Sweetie, what are you gonna do?
Oh.
Potato, Mommy. It's precious.
Ooh, I like it. It's like smooth. It feels like fluffy slime. Ooh, I like it. You're playful, the mouse. You tend to throw things and poof things, and it feels really cool. It's really smooth.
What's this thing?
Oh, he's gonna make a mess. All right, well, did it work, guys?
Yeah.
Worked pretty good. Let's see your slime, Mad. Yours looks pretty good,
More like Play-Doh.
but it's all like smooth. It feels weird because it's really smooth. It feels pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
It feels wet, but it's
Okay, that was a quick one shot. You can try this slime. It smells delicious. What happened?
she dipped it into it.
It smells delicious. It tastes pretty okay, I guess.
I'm putting cornstarch. I gotta mix it up.
But that's it. Thanks for stopping by.
Thanks for watching.
We'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. That got really loud.
doesn't make sound when it's squishy. Look what's on my shirt. Yes, it does.
A dog and a bunch of cornstarch.
Oh, you've got little bits in yours.
Mine too.
Good bits?
Got bits in them.
Jackson eating his like dough like a good boy. Need that dough. Need
Can
it.
I feel it?
Oh yeah. Feels cool, huh, Mom?
By taffy style.
Taffy style?
This is just depressing for me. Why can't I do this right? Everyone else's looks nice.
Look at Hallie's. They're just really stretchy. Looks like fluffy slime.
Hey, it feels like fluffy slime.
Yeah, it's cute. Like foam. That's what it is, like foam slime.
It broke. Oh no.
What the heck?
That's like an ultimate musical. Look at my nails. Look, I got my nails up. They're blue. Oh, I'm almost dying. Oh, it looks like I'm dying. It's like
Slimo.
Slime. Mom, I'm ready to have a breakdown. My nails, this stuff won't
Okay,
come
go
off.
have a breakdown in the shower while you're washing.
Can I see my?
It is
Ew,
that
gross.
time of day.
Oh, look at I have blue like under my cuticle. What?
Cuticle?
They don't know what a cuticle is?
It's like the
The
skin that's on top of your
the skin
nail.
right there at the base of your cuticle.
Yeah, but that just sounds weird when
It's like you're trying to say you don't know what a unicorn is, but you're trying to.
under my cuticle. Oh my gosh, that went so. I have blue nail polish under my cuticle, and it won't come off, and I'm having a meltdown because of it. Oh my god! I got to get shower.
Slime.
What's the power?
I'm joking. Is that a snake? Are you making a poo emoji?
I kind of want to.
I kind of want to. It's ready. How's yours coming, Mad?
Smells making me sick. Mine's not turning out like theirs.
Need a little water?
No, it's sticky.
Jax is pretty stretchy.
I That's a nice different flavored pudding.
Hey guys, that's the end of our video. And we had a crazy day making slime. And it's now time.
The slime is gonna go up separate.
Oh.
So we'll start that over. Sorry.
Okay, we're gonna say goodnight. We had a great day. And there we go. We hope you guys had a fun time watching, and be sure to be the good. Good night, guys.
Good night.
Good night.
See you tomorrow, bright and early.
Bright and early.